go on, leave me breathless. Come on. The daylight's fading slowly, but time new year is standing still. I'm waiting for you only. Your slightest touch and I feel weak. I cannot lie from you, I cannot hide. I'm losing will to try. Can't hide it, can't fight it. So go on, come on, leave me breathless. Gently tease me until I can't deny this love and feeling. Make me long for your kiss. Go on, yeah, come on. And if there's no tomorrow, and all we have is here and now, I'm happy just
My wish
to have you.
To have you a better life, of course, as a parent. Just remember, lahat ng tao nawawala sa mundo. Tapos na yung panahon ko, tapos na yung panahon namin ng mama mo, ang aming kabataan. Pagdating ng panahon, mawawala kami, kayo ang maiiwan sa mundo. Ang masasabi ko lang sa sarili ko, sana nagawa ko ang parte ko bilang magulang sa iyo to reach you. Napalaki ka sana namin ng the way na ipangarap ng bawat magulang na palakihin ng kanilang mga anak. So, kung tama man ang ginawa ko, sana hanggang sa susunod na generation, just continue what I told you. You will not be, hindi ka na maliligaw. Kasi, yun na yung dinaanan ko. Happy birthday ulit.
I'm way too cool for you, boy. That's why it'll never work. I have you suicidal, suicidal. When I say it's over, damn all these beautiful girls. We're only gonna do the dirt. We'll have you suicidal, suicidal. When I say it's over, yeah. I remember when I was hanging with my friends. That's when I caught your eye. You thought that I was fly. Right then you wished that I would be a baby. Be a baby. You tried to spit some game, asking me, girl, what's your name? Saw the ice upon your chain, so I asked you the same. Something tells me that we'd have fun together. Fun together. I ain't easy to find, I'm one of a kind. Oh, when I judge you wine, I know you're only mine. Tonight is yours, tomorrow's for another guy. Another guy. I'm way too cool for you, boy. That's why it'll never work. I have you suicidal, suicidal. When I say it's over, damn all these beautiful girls. We're only gonna do the dirt. We'll have you suicidal, suicidal. When I say it's over. You've been calling me, leaving messages all week, 'cause your curiosity got your knees weak. I'm not looking for a man, so I don't want no confusion. No confusion. I took you to the flow, had you begging me for more, but that was my cue to go. So I hit the go, I let you